Chopper 1X. Starting off our list is a tool that humankind has used for thousands of years, even as early as the Paleolithic period. The Chopper 1X is a redesigned axe that has significant improvements, even though this is a relatively simple tool. This US-made axe has an advanced splitting mechanism using movable levers, springs, and split pieces. This design ensures that the axe doesn't get stuck in the wood as you're chopping, and the initial idea appeared all the way back in 1975. Instead of a 90-degree angle at the edge of the blade, the axe is shaped at a 45-degree angle. The clever mechanisms ensure there is no energy loss, and this axe will glide through wood like butter. The Chopper 1X has become a very successful business, and you can buy your very own assembled axe for $140. Moving indoors, do you need something to help you transport heavy sheet materials? Look no further than our next entry for the solution. Dewalt hand truck. Construction workers and DIY enthusiasts often have to work with extremely heavy loads. But thankfully, the Dewalt hand truck comes to the rescue. An average 54 square foot or 5 square meter chipboard can weigh as much as 127 pounds, or 58 kilograms, and other things like tiles and flooring can also be extremely heavy. And this is why builders need a handy helper. Dewalt has a vast inventory of hundreds of products, but this dolly definitely stands out. It's nothing fancy either, just two 12-inch or 30.4 centimeter wheels attached to a frame. Simply slip your sheet of construction material into the hand truck and you'll be good to go, since it stays in place effortlessly. The dolly comes with an anti-slip surface and an impressive weight capacity of 1,199 pounds or 544 kilograms. Considering over 1 million homes are built almost every month in the US alone, the price tag of $230 is reasonable. This dolly is quite handy, but what about a wearable exoskeleton that actually does some of the work for you? Titan PGD 3200X Post Driver. You never know when you may need the assistance of a handy post driver, so investing in the Titan PGD 3200X post driver is quite a no-brainer. This tool is the ideal gadget for everyone from builders to campground owners, farmers, and event planners, and it'll make planting poles a complete breeze. It works for fence posts, road sign poles, tent poles, and just about anything you need hammered into the ground. The tool comes with a complete kit and parts for different diameter poles, and the maximum size the Titan post driver can accommodate is 3.14 inches or 8 centimeters in diameter. It's got a reliable 1.3 horsepower or 0.9 kilowatt Honda engine, and the tool has proven to be perfect for solo work since it only weighs 44 pounds or 20 kilograms. You can get your hands on one of these for $1,738. Don't miss out on our next inventive demolition tool that will remove just about anything. Ottobock Shoulder. As technology progresses, we are utilizing things like exoskeletons at an increased rate. Construction workers can now enjoy a reduced workload and bodily strain thanks to the Ottobock Shoulder. This German-made exoskeleton fits over your shoulders and straps down across your body, almost like a backpack, and you can put it on in under 20 seconds. The creators state that while wearing this lightweight exoskeleton, you can reduce strain on your joints and muscles by as much as 40%. The great news is that it's completely energy independent, and you receive a 2-week test phase with the company upon purchase. Additionally, the belt has a convenient attachment for tools, and you can invest in additional neck support. The price of one Ottobock Shoulder exoskeleton is around $1,500. Keep your eyes peeled for the next drywall sander that has a number of cool hidden features. VAUGHAN Rage. Everyone needs a good demolition tool by their side for those tough projects, and the VAUGHAN Rage certainly takes the cake. Whether it be glass, nails, plaster, wood, tile, or drywall, nothing stands a chance against this handy little tool. It's only 14.9 inches or 38 centimeters long, so it fits snugly into your hand, and it has a modest weight of 2.4 pounds or 1.1 kilograms. The Rage tool is designed to make work both safer and quicker, and its patented asymmetrical handle is another standout feature. Even better, it's a 3-in-1 tool, functioning as a nail puller, a hammer, and a pry bar. No one can argue with the exceptional usefulness of this gadget, and its $36 price is attractive too. ESSVE HDS. If you're looking for the perfect decking tool that'll transform your workload, look no further. ESSVE's HDS solves a number of problems all at once, so you truly can't go wrong. This tool is designed to ensure all your fasteners can be installed at precisely the same angle, and this guarantees that the deck boards are pressed firmly against the joist. It's also used to provide even spacing between your boards. Lastly, for amazingly convenient work, the ESSVE HDS kit comes complete with several different working bits. This tool is one of the best ways to pick up your pace, but its price is slightly high at $110. After building your deck, gardening is made easier than ever with a smart hole digger that'll do the job in seconds. Tolsen Drywall Sander 5. Every handyman needs a good drywall sander by their side, and the Tolsen 5 certainly lives up to its expectations. This Chinese company sells upwards of 1 million tools every year, and this sander is one of the most popular. Firstly, this sander has a telescopic handle and 6 different sanding discs to be able to handle absolutely any job. The gadget has an LED light built in, and to make cleanup easier, it's also got a dust bag to capture everything. The sander can reach impressive speeds of 2100 revolutions per minute, and it works exceptionally well for both ceilings and walls. The diameter is about 8.86 inches or 225 millimeters, and you can be rest assured your sanding days will be revolutionized. This tool comes in at $266. ToughBuilt Posthole Digger. Gardening is fun, but when you have a large number of holes for flowers or posts that need to be dug out, this manual task starts to look less fun. The ToughBuilt Posthole Digger is the gadget you need. It's got a width of 5.91 inches or 15 centimeters and has powerful reinforced steel blades. It's for this reason that it promises easy penetration into the soil. The tool reduces arm, elbow, and shoulder fatigue with its ergonomic handle. The best feature of the tool is that it makes digging both more efficient and less strenuous. The gadget weighs a reasonable 12.3 pounds or 5.6 kilograms and measures 4.76 feet or 145 centimeters in length. It's so safe that you don't even need to wear gloves, and it'll surely make you feel like a pro excavator in your very own backyard. The price tag for this handy digging tool is $60. Next up is an ingenious tool used to move around hefty containers. Don't miss it. Coldene ISO Shipping Container Castors. Experts predict about 8% growth in the shipping container industry annually, and this poses the problem of how to efficiently move them along. This is where the caster wheels come in, since they are basically the new essential for container loading and unloading. Depending on the specific version you choose, this clever contraption can support between 13,227 and 132,277 pounds, or 6 and 60 tons. You can complete the installation without power tools, and the wheels are designed to be the optimal height for container maintenance. You can purchase a tow bar for extra convenience as well. WEICON Tools S4-28. Our whole world is connected by cables and wires. For instance, there is over 807,782.55 miles, or 1.3 million kilometers of cable underneath the ocean, and that's not even mentioning the cables on land. This is why WEICON Tools S4-28 is all the hype. It's the best wire stripper around. This tool can quickly strip insulation from wires between 0.15 and 1.1 inches, or 4 and 28 millimeters in diameter. And it's got an infinitely variable cutting depth, so it'll always be up to the task. The blade is super easy and straightforward to replace, so there is no hassle using the tool. The manufacturer also specializes in various other tools, adhesives, and sealants, and they've been improving their technology since 1947. The body of the tool is made from fiberglass reinforced plastic, and the price tag is a super affordable $25. Do you want the latest and best technology in pipe cleaning? Don't go anywhere. PiCo Pipe. The PiCo Pipe has a catchy name, but you can trust that it's equally interesting. This tool is the best in abrasive vacuum blasting we've seen in the last decade, and the technology behind it is well worth the investment. This tool allows you to effectively clean pipes between 0.19 and 0.78 or 5 and 20 millimeters in diameter, and this takes absolutely minimal effort. The aluminum oxide technology promises fast and high-quality cleaning time, and time again. We have a Norwegian manufacturer to thank for this inventive gadget, and for now, they need to be contacted for exact pricing on this pipe cleaning tool. Fusion drill-powered cultivator. Are you and your partner trying to decide between investing in a drill or gardening tool? Well, you may not have to choose. The Fusion drill-powered cultivator is a marvelous attachment for your drill. The only requirement is that your drill needs to have at least 34 Newton meters of torque and 18 watts to work efficiently. The weight of the entire tool comes in at 7 pounds or 3.4 kilograms, and the working width is an impressive 7.87 inches or 20 centimeters. The working depth is 5.51 inches or 14 centimeters, and the length is adjustable between 1.8 and 5.11 inches or 48 and 130 centimeters. This smart cultivator attachment is made from plastic, steel, and aluminum, and the price is $149. Next up, we take a look at the most advanced clamping tool currently available, so stick around. Wide range transmission grip. Next up, we have a simple yet greatly useful wire pulling grip. The wide range transmission grip that'll be superior in most any situation. The wire grip is compatible with cables between 0.68 and 1.4 inches, or 17.3 and 36.1 millimeters in diameter, and its reliable design works without damaging the wires. The Smart Jaw geometry grip works with a range of cables, such as those used on overhead power lines. It's got a maximum load of 11,904 pounds or 5.4 tons, which is incredibly impressive considering that it only weighs 8.1 pounds or 3.7 kilograms. The tool is made for one-hand use, and its patented design combines all the best features you'd want from a wire-pulling grip. To work smarter, not harder with this tool, you'll need to fork over a steep $400. Bandit CP4000-D. Clamps are one of those things that are needed on just about every single project, and it's for this reason that you need a reliable clamping tool like the Bandit CP4000-D. This cordless clamping device can manage a whopping 400 clamps on one single charge, and it comes with a spare battery as well. The entire thing has a weight of 8.4 pounds or 3.8 kilograms, and its fatigue-reducing handle goes a long way towards making work comfortable. The tool promises to be easy and intuitive to use, and it can manage a maximum force of 2,098 pounds or 952 kilograms. Would you be willing to spend $3,000 on this advanced clamping tool? Since everything seems to be leaning towards a smart transformation, why not invest in a smart taping tool as well? KTHB Smart. The KTHB Smart is yet another modern tool that deserves a mention. This compact taping machine is compatible with good old store tape, but it works with any, with a width between 0.35 and 0.98 inches, or 9 and 25 millimeters. The speed of the workflow can be increased to 380 RPM, and it's perfect for just about every taping job you have. The total weight of the tool is only 6.6 pounds or 3 kilograms, and it can be used with both hands to ensure there are no wrinkles in your application. Whether you are using it as a standalone tool or as part of a bigger assembly line, the KTHB Smart can be used the moment it's taken out of the box. Like with a few other highly specialized tools, the price of this gadget can be requested from the manufacturer. MLT System. Focusing on the common task of tile installation, the MLT System is certainly a top contender. The best of all, this system works on everything: walls, floors, ceilings, you name it. The system allows you to set your joints, and it works with a minimum thickness of 0.01 inch or 0.5 millimeters. MLT works with 3 reusable elements, so it'll be reliable for every project you have. To take things to the next level, you can invest in the ergonomic MLT gun. This comes with a 1,000 MLT pieces, and it's sealed in a convenient plastic box. For the complete gun kit, you'll need to invest $800. Cordless tools are the way of the future, so keep your eyes open for one of the best insulation cutters yet. Festool ISC 240. Even though this next cordless cutter may seem like a cutout from an apocalypse movie, it's actually one of the best tools you can find. This is the ultimate tool for insulation material cutting, and any home renovator needs this sidekick tool. The ISC 240 is suited for a range of cutting, including materials like foam boards, polyurethane, and even mineral wool, so versatility is guaranteed. The 3-pound or 1.4 kilogram weight is a major bonus for tricky working situations, and the cutting depth of 9.44 inches or 240 millimeters makes it one of the best on the market. The price is slightly high at $930, but this will definitely be well worth the investment. Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap. Milwaukee never fails to impress, and their next fantastic product on our list is the SDS Plus Dust Trap. This universal dust extraction system is great for a number of reasons. The first being that it's compatible with all the different SDS Plus drill cuts. It's also the first solution of its kind to be approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration, which is important to note. The dust trap works seamlessly with drill bits, up to 7.78 inches or 20 centimeters long, without needing a vacuum. Can you guess the price? It's a very pleasant $23. How about a combo between the 2 most common tools? This is up next. Stanley 32050 FatMax Power Claw. 2 things that are always in high demand on a construction site are extension cords and clamps, so why not combine the 2? This is the idea that Stanley had with their 32050 FatMax Power Claw. It's certainly as practical as it sounds, and a 36-inch or 91-centimeter cord is ideal for working on ladders or on workbenches. The 15-amp capacity ensures it'll be able to power just about any tool, and it's lightweight at just 22.5 ounces or 640 grams. The rubber elements ensure the extension clamp can be secured in any direction, even upside down, so complete peace of mind is guaranteed. The price is a mere $25. MINOVA foam cutting bow. The next tool might look way too big and bulky for the mostly delicate job of foam cutting, but don't be fooled. The MINOVA foam cutting bow has been expertly designed to be used with a single hand only. This makes it perfect for both left and right-handed users, and it comes with a unique adapter that lets you use it with any 18-volt battery tool from big brands like Bosch, Makita, and more. ROTHENBERGER threaded roughing pliers. Not many tools can live up to the promise of being able to get the job done faster without having to skimp on quality, but these threaded roughing pliers from ROTHENBERGER can. They were designed for use on pipes as skinny as 0.4 inches or 9.5 millimeters, all the way up to 2 inches or 51 millimeters. These cool pliers come with special replaceable rollers that adapt to whatever shape thread you need and are made to help you get that smooth, ready-to-seal pipe surface every time. At $192, they are a worthwhile long-term investment that will literally save you time and money as you use them. Everything from tiling to punching holes in material can be made better with the right tool, so say hello to the coolest hole puncher on this list. LAOA hole puncher. The next tool is for those folks who spend a lot of time in a sewing room. The LAOA hole puncher is as versatile as it is handy and comes with several interchangeable attachments that will help you pop holes of 0.04 to 0.2 inches or 1 to 6 millimeters. It works for material like fabric, leather, and everything in between. But it's not just for punching holes. It also doubles up as a crimping button fastener. This means it is probably going to be one of the most used tools in your sewing kit if you decide to spend the $31 you need to get your hands on it. Wolfcraft, Bevel, and Mitre box. Are you looking for a clever tool to help you get that baseboard fitting project done a little better this time around? Then maybe you should check out this innovative solution from Wolfcraft. Their floorboard clamp doubles as both a precise room angle measure and a stable cutting stand. With its special built-in guides, you're guaranteed a flawless finish with every cut. Whether you're dealing with angles as sharp as 85 degrees or as wide as 180 degrees, it's going to deliver, and thanks to its integrated guide pins that provide automatic error-free angle transfers to the saw, you're guaranteed to get the right miter angle time and time again. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual measurements and guesswork for $81. Plazmax E-Tap. The Plazmax E-Tap is a comprehensive table and tapping arm set tailored for shops that are often engaged in tapping tasks. It features a very generous working radius of 4.2 feet or 1.3 meters, a detachable arm, and a high-quality user-friendly touchscreen control panel. It easily adapts to a variety of work areas, and a smart electronic system modulates the torque so you can focus on the job at hand and not on the machine. 2 thread ranges are currently available, M3 to M20 and M6 to M30, and pricing details are available directly from Plazmax when you inquire. Cutting drywall at that perfect 35-degree edge used to be quite a headache, but we have solved this problem. Just stay tuned to see the answer you've been looking for. DrillEase. In challenging construction environments, especially near bridges or tunnels, you need a powerful and preferably portable tool to help you get through all those heavy-duty tie drilling tasks. The DrillEase is arguably one of the best wireless options on the market right now. It simplifies tasks by completely ditching the need for hydraulics, cumbersome hoses, messy fluids, and bulky generators. It is 100% compatible with standard impact wrenches, and it weighs in at under 30 pounds or 14 kilograms, making it significantly lighter than its competitors. On a single charge, you can easily power through 120 holes of 6 inches or 15 centimeters each, with every hole taking 3 seconds or less to drill. One of these impressive machines now sells for under $3,360. Wolfcraft Triple Blade Edge Planer. What if we said there's a way to achieve that perfect 35-degree drywall edge, and not just one go, but to do it and still have one hand free to hold your coffee? Well, it would technically only be possible if you had one of these triple-bladed edge planers from Wolfcraft. It's been specially made for use on boards that are between 0.4 and 0.5 inches or 9.5 to 12.5 millimeters thick, and it comes with 3 blades that you can swap out without any fuss. This edge planer doesn't just give you a sharp edge, but it also sets you up for a smooth, quick fill job afterwards too. All this for the modest price of $41 sounds like an unmissable deal. Homatro Stack Bags. The traditional jack design hasn't seen any major changes for quite a while, but this new concept from Homatro currently has 4 versions available, and the entry-level stack bags can lift a total of 59,525 pounds or 27 tons. The premier stack bag model, on the other hand, is designed to manage a staggering 203,266 pounds or 92.2 tons. Each bag has a built-in pressure capacity of 174 psi or 12 bar, and by using 3 bags at once, you can lift the load up to 20 inches or approximately 51 centimeters high. A specialized control unit is available for individual bag lifting and loading, and the simple ergonomic design ensures anyone can use it perfectly, even on their first try. You can contact Homatro for the pricing. Having a wide range of tools is cool, but you'll also need a way to clean them, so keep watching to see the best blade cleaner. Woodpeckers Saw Gauge 2.0. It's not often that you find creators as passionate about the quality of their products as those behind the Woodpeckers Saw Gauge 2.0. According to them, this analog gauge surpasses all others in terms of accuracy and user-friendliness. It promises to help you get that flawlessly precise cut every single time, and in less time than you ever thought possible. You can use it with any US, European, or Chinese saw, and it can handle up to 20 inches or 51 centimeters of working length with ease. We think that woodworkers of all skill levels should be willing to fork out the $240 needed just to experience the difference firsthand. Blade clean. A tedious cleaning routine used to be one of the best ways to keep your blades and discs sharp, but thanks to the Blade Clean system, there is now a better way. You'll quickly find out why it's earned its reputation of being the best way to tackle this chore without actually paying someone else to do it. Softwood is especially good at gunking up the blades, and it leaves behind sticky resin and dust that can really mess with your cut. But Blade Clean is one of the easiest ways to get your blades back to their shiny self if this happens. It's smart too. It tells the just plain dirty blades apart from the dull, so you're not wasting time sharpening when you don't need to. The Blade Clean is ideal for blades up to 12 inches or 30 centimeters across, and the price is $100. Flextool PowerVibe. Construction sites are full of noise and activity, and no one wants to spend more time than necessary on the job. So anything that can help increase productivity will be very welcome. The Flextool is a hidden gem of a machine with an all-electric motor that plugs into any standard 240-volt European outlet. It operates smoothly and quietly, produces no smoke or noise, and it won't excessively shake around. The machine only weighs 39 pounds or 17.7 kilograms, so it's perfect for indoor projects as well as outdoor endeavors. The FPV 45 version is available now for $1,977. Do you need an easier way to keep your gutters under control? We've got a solution for this too. Gutter sense. Some things in life are inevitable. They just have to be done at some point, no matter how much you would rather not. Cleaning out the gunk that accumulates in gutters is one of those things. But luckily, someone has thought of a way to make gutter maintenance a lot less painful. The Gutter Sense is simple, yet brilliant. It has a long extendable handle with a sturdy clamp, and all you have to do is hoist it up. Then you give the cable a tug, and it will lift all the debris out of the gutter. The clamp itself is sold separately for $34, but if you don't fancy splurging on the handle, a trusty broom handle will work just fine too. Purdy. Few things are as satisfying as using a Purdy product to clean every last bit of paint out of a brush or roller. For painting enthusiasts, this also means keeping your tools in working condition for even longer. Purdy offers a diverse selection of cleaning gadgets, from brush combs to roller scrapers, and some tools are even individually signed by the craftsmen who meticulously created them. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you can trust Purdy to enhance your painting experience. For novices, there is even a handy set of instructional videos on how to use their unique products so you don't have to waste any time getting started. Milwaukee M12BLPRS. How much are you willing to spend for the chance of having the easiest gardening day of your life? These incredibly sturdy and hardworking shears from the Milwaukee brand are small and easy to carry around with you, completely cordless, and weigh only 3.3 pounds or 1.5 kilograms. However, they have the power of a much larger tool. They make quick work of branches up to 1.25 inches or 32 millimeters thick, and one charge will power you through more than 1,000 cuts. Plus, you can use batteries from any other Milwaukee tool. Currently, these shears will cost you $440. You can never go wrong with a good little multi-tool, and we've got this coming up too. Alpha 240B. Meet the latest addition to the X Design Hyper Range, the Alpha 240B utility knife. For an unbelievable price of $16, you get this incredibly versatile little tool that can help you with everything from opening sockets to holding screws in place. It even has a special design feature for effortlessly popping open paint cans. The segmented blade adds a unique touch, and a few simple movements is all it takes to change the blades and activate the built-in safety locking system. Quick. Though it may not really seem that way, clamps are serious tools that play a crucial role in many projects, and having a good set around is always a good idea. The Pure range has been designed to deliver both convenience and performance, and as such, their clamps can be used on any surface and in any situation. These clamps also pull double duty, as spreaders are made from a blend of steel and glass fiber reinforced nylon. They offer effortless, one-handed control as well as clamping forces of up to 3,000 newtons. The mini quick version retails for only $23, but has a depth of 2.1 inches or 55 millimeters and a generous clamping force of 750 newtons. Will you be making this investment? ToughBuilt GelFit. Without sturdy knees, you're just going to have a very hard time, especially if you need to move around and work on your feet a lot. That's why it's absolutely essential to have something to take the strain off these hard-working joints. A good pair of knee pads like these will be a great gift for everyone, from mechanics to construction workers, and pretty much anyone who's tough on their knees. They take some of the strain off your ankles by giving your shins a lift and hug the hips to keep your knees right where they should be. Inside, there's a mix of gel and foam that molds to the user, spreading out the weight so you're less likely to get hurt. Outside, there's a sturdy shell of impact-resistant plastic. You can snag a pair for $53. These tools will allow you to tackle any project like a pro, but be sure to check out our next cool tool countdown as well.